All right, so just to recap what we were talking about, we're talking about classifying quadrilaterals. Now we decided that the word quadrilateral means it has four sides. And so I drew this shape right here, and then we realized, hey, that's not something we've seen before, and we call this one a trapezoid. And I'm sure that I spelled that one wrong. Let me just try to trapezoid. Got it. A trapezoid. Now we decided as a class that a trapezoid has four sides. Um, and Dawson is throwing out there that two of the sides are the same. Is that true? Two of the sides are the same. Yes? 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 Which two? The ones on the right and left, the ones at the top and the bottom? Ah, I think that in this case, two of the sides are the same. But that's not always the case. So that is not true either. But I think Alex was onto something. Alex, say it again, whatever you said. All right, the two sides are parallel to each other. That I like. Only, or two and only two sides are parallel to each other. All right, so that is a trapezoid. Now, we have a special class of parallelograms. Now, I'm going to just show it to you this way. So check this out, folks. A trapezoid is where only two sides, only one pair, are parallel to each other. Whereas a parallelogram has both sides, two pairs of sides that are parallel to each other. Now, there's multiple types of parallelograms. A rectangle is a parallelogram that has four right angles in it. Got it? Whereas a rhombus is a parallelogram that has all the sides the same, but it doesn't necessarily have to have all four angles in it to be right angles. Now, most people call a rhombus a diamond, I suppose. And the last thing is that, see how a rectangle, if you combine the definition of a rectangle and a rhombus, where it's a parallelogram with all four angles, all four have right angles, and a parallelogram with all sides the same, you get the definition of a square. So a square is like a special rhombus and a special rectangle and a very special parallelogram. Whereas a rectangle is a special parallelogram, but it only has four right angles. And a rhombus is a special parallelogram that has all four sides the same. And a trapezoid is not a parallelogram whatsoever, but it's a quadrilateral. So we put it in the same category as these four-sided shapes. And if you look at this trapezoid, you can tell that not two sides are the same. It's the top and the bottom are parallel to each other. Does that make sense? Does that clear up this stuff for you folks? It's almost like we're adding extra categories to this thing. For example, you are a Myron B. Thompson student. But not only are you a Myron B. Thompson student, let's categorize you one more. You're a special Myron B. Thompson student because you're a sixth grade Myron B. Thompson student. But not only are you a sixth grade Myron B. Thompson student, you're even special in that sense because you're an online math Myron B. Thompson student. Do you folks get it? So what I'm doing is I'm not making new definitions. I'm just further categorizing you folks. So, for example, all of these are quadrilaterals because they all have four sides. Parallelograms have two pairs that are parallel, and a special category in those consists of rectangles. A special category of those consist of either rhombus or rectangle, and a special category of these two guys is the square. Does that make sense to you folks?